hurt. I was like that too. Yeah. Compared to lately, you know, being able to lean.
Yeah.
Stretching those hands out a lot.
Yeah, 'cause she wants that machine.
There's Mr. Keith.
Does this take two?
No, we had to do a lot of cuts so they could remember their next lines.
I see you watching it.
In a little bit, you'll see Miss Susan too.
Okay, I quit. You're looking at me instead of the movie.
I believe I am all